Hello students. Today we will be studying about the change in profit sharing ratio that due to the change in the relation among the partners. Due to change in the relation among the partner, there are the various things that changes that I have explained to you. That is change in profit sharing ratio, accounting treatment of the goodwill, accounting treatment of the accumulated profits, and all that thing that we will be doing. So here we are studying the very first part of change in change in the partnership relation, and the first thing is change in profit sharing ratio. The PSR is your profit sharing ratio. So let's go for an example and understand it more clearly. What is change in profit sharing ratio? Suppose Amar, Akbar and Anthony shares profits in the ratio of 2 is to 2 is to 1. This is their profit sharing ratio. As on 1st April 2020, they decided to share profits equally, future profits equally. So the old profit sharing ratio that they were sharing before was 2 is to 2 is to 1, or we can say like that, or we can say like this: they were sharing profit in the ratio Amar 2 by 5, Akbar 2 by 5, and Anthony 1 by 5. Now they will be sharing 1 by 3 each. Now they will be sharing 1 by 3 each. So the thing is, there may be some of the partners who may be gaining from this change, or there will be some partners who will be sacrificing from. So those whosoever the partner is gaining from this change in profit sharing ratio, they will be known as the gaining partners, and those who will be sacrificing their shares, they will be known as the sacrificing partner. So we have to calculate the gaining ratio and sacrificing ratio. So we can find out gaining ratio by using this formula. There are the two formulas. Either you can use NPSR, that is your new profit sharing ratio, new profit sharing ratio minus old profit sharing ratio. There are the two things. So new profit sharing ratio, that is 1 by 3, that 1 by 3 that we got from this place, the new profit sharing ratio. So it is written as, if the output comes as positive, if the output comes as positive when new minus old is done, and the positive and the result comes as positive, then it will be your gaining partner. For every partner we have to calculate, and if the results come as the negative, that means it is your sacrificing partner. Okay, so now what we will do, we need to note down an important point. The point is, sum of gaining ratio must be equal to sum of sacrificing ratio. Why? Because the thing is, whatever few partners will be sacrificing, that will be gain for the other partners. It is not like that gain will be transferred to some other partners or outside the business. It is only the thing, the sum of the gaining ratio must be sacrificed by some of the other partners. So we have to be very careful while calculating all these things. Or we can use this formula also: old profit sharing ratio minus new profit sharing ratio. If the result comes to be positive, then it will be known as your sacrificing ratio. If the result is negative, that means it will be your gaining ratio. Why the result will come positive? If the old profit sharing ratio is more than the new profit sharing ratio, then obviously it will the positive. That means earlier he was getting, suppose let it be 50%, now he is getting 40%, that means he is sacrificing 10%. So like that we will be calculating. Sum of gaining ratio must be equal to sum of sacrificing ratio. We will ignore this sign here. Okay, now moving to one of the questions, and then we will find out how to find out the gaining and the sacrificing ratio. Let's solve this question only. How to find out the gaining ratio and the sacrificing ratio. If I will solve like this, for Amar I am calculating. New profit sharing ratio of Amar is 1 by 3, I can write from this place, minus the old profit sharing ratio of Amar was 2 by 5. So if I will calculate from this place, I will be getting the LCM of this is 15, and 5 ones are 5 minus 2 3 just 6, so I am getting minus 1 by 50. So what does this mean? I have told you like that if we are using new minus old and the positive and the negative come, this means sacrificing. So Amar is sacrificing 1 by 50. Okay, now move to that another partner, that is Akbar. Akbar, how much Akbar is sacrificing? How much Akbar is sacrificing? Akbar's is gaining, a new ratio is 1 by 3, old ratio is 2 by 5. So the same procedure will be following, and he will also lose 1 by 15. That means he will also sacrifice 1 by 15. Okay, now we will moving to Anthony. Anthony's new profit sharing ratio is 1 by 3 and old profit sharing ratio was 1 by 5. So if we will solve this, we will be getting 15, 5 minus 3, that comes to 2 by 15. That comes to 2 by 15. So this partner is sacrificing, this partner is sacrificing, this is your sacrificing ratio and this is your gaining partner. So now we have to find out the gaining and the sacrificing ratio. Gaining and the sacrificing, we have to find out whether the gaining is equal to sacrificing or not. So hope this calculation is clear to you. I am deleting all these things, I am rubbing all these things clear with the magic. Okay, so it was like that. Amar was sacrificing 1 by 15, that is negative. Akbar was sacrificing minus 1 by 15 and Anthony was gaining 2 by 15. Anthony was gaining 2 by 15. So let's go through whether gaining ratio is equal to sacrificing or not. So sacrificing is your 1 by 15 and 1 by 50. The total of 1 by 15 and 1 by 15 is equal to 2 by 15. So it is clear that we are doing all these things like this only. So hopefully this is clear to you. Now we will be moving to another question, and the question is this one. X, Y and Z are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3:2. Calculate new profit sharing ratio, sacrificing ratio, gaining ratio in each of the following cases. If Z acquires 1/5 share from X, 1/5 share from X. These are the 4 very important cases. These 4 cases will help you to solve the questions, that is the question which are given in your book. So we have to be very careful in all these things. Okay, so now moving to the solution, you have to remember the words from, of. Okay, so be careful reading all these things. So we are moving to the solution part. The old profit sharing ratio is, listen very carefully, old profit sharing ratio is 5:3:2. 5:3:2. Okay, so we are moving to the new profit sharing ratio, and the new profit sharing ratio will be calculated like this. Okay, so in this question we are not given with the new profit sharing ratio. We have to find out the new profit sharing ratio. So how we will find out? The solution is being given in this, and you will get the PDF say, but I am explaining you through that all these things, so you will be able to calculate. So what has been asked in the question is that Mr. XYZ, they are getting profits in the ratio of 5:3:2. Now Z acquires 1/5 share from X. That means simply X was getting earlier 5/10 share. Now he will give 1/5 share. He will give 1/5 share. 1/5 share means 1/5 normally. So 1/5 share from X, not of X. ये याद रखना है. Of X means उसका. From means इतना ही निकाल लेना है. ठीक है. That will be deducted from this. So this will be sacrificing ratio of X only. This will be sacrificing ratio of x, and the new profit ratio sharing ratio will be 5 upon 10 minus 1 by 5. How much he is giving to that partner, or how much is being acquired by Z. So Z acquires 1 by 5. So Z acquires 1 by 5. So the profit sharing ratio that you will get is, how we will calculate? We will take the LCM as usual. LCM will be 10, and when we will calculate, this will be your 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3 by 10. So new profit sharing ratio of x is 3 by 10. Okay, now we will move to y. The question says anything about y? No. What was his profit sharing ratio? 3 by 10. So it will be 3 by 10 only. It will be 3 by 10 only. Now move to z. Z was gaining 2 by 10 earlier. Now he has received 1 by 5 from x. So how much he will be gaining? He will be gaining 4 by 10. How much he will be gaining? 4 by 10. So this will be his gaining ratio. This will be his gaining ratio. How much he is gaining? 1 by 5. And how much x is sacrificing? How much x is sacrificing? How much x is sacrificing? X is also sacrificing 1 by 5 only. So the gaining and sacrificing is equal. So we have to be very careful while calculating all these things. Okay, so it is like this only. Point is clear? So the new profit sharing ratio, what will be the new profit sharing ratio? The new profit sharing ratio, just now you have calculated. Just now you have calculated what is new profit sharing ratio. 3. It is 3:4. This is your new profit sharing ratio. This is your new profit sharing ratio. Now if you want to find out the gaining ratio and sacrificing ratio again, you can find out it in a very easy way. Okay, so we will be moving to the another thing, that this is your question that is being given here. This is your question. Okay, in this question also I have did like this only. Only the thing is, the way I have calculated things is quite different, because I don't want to go for that LCM part. So I just cross multiplied all these things. I have multiplied that denominator 10 into 550, that comes to be, and then I multiplied this one and this one like that, cross multiply, so that it will be easier for me to save time. Otherwise it will be tough to go for the LCM, then all these things. So like that. So the new profit sharing ratio comes to be 3:4. This was the first part. This was the very first part. Now we will be moving to the another part. Okay. Here also I have written that sacrificing ratio of x is 1 by 5 and the gaining ratio of z is 1 by 5, because the profit sharing ratio of x doesn't, y doesn't changes. So now we will be moving to another question, that is the same question, case 2. Same question, but the case number is 2. So what if z acquires 1/5 share इक्वली फ्रॉम x एंड y? अरे मैं सिंपल ऐसा बोल रहा हूँ, जैसे ए बी सी 3 पार्टनर है, और तीनों जो है वो 50 रुपये, 30 रुपये और 20 रुपये तीनों के पास अवेलेबल है. ठीक है, तो z ने क्या किया? z ने 10 रुपये ले लिए. 10 रुपये लिए हैं, किससे लिए? एक्वायर किया, मांगा है. किससे मांगा है? x और y से मांगा है. कैसे मांगा है? इक्वली मांग लिया. इक्वली मांग लिया तो कितना कितना मांगा होगा? 10-10 मांगा होगा या 5-5 मांगा होगा? उन्होंने 10-10 नहीं, उन्होंने 5-5 मांगा होगा. सो बी केयरफुल, दैट इज इक्वली मीन्स वट एवर ही इज गेटिंग उसका 50%. और अगर हमें किसी चीज़ का 50% फाइंड आउट करना है, सो कैन वी मल्टीप्लाई इट बाई 1/2? Exactly. So we will be multiplying it by 1/2 only. So now we will be calculating this thing. So now move to this question and we will be solving this. Okay. So x will be, x here is 5/10 minus 1/5. That is what x z is getting, but he will be getting only half from this man. So how much he will be getting? Calculate. It will be your 4/10. It will be 4/10. Calculation part is very much important. So you have to be very sure about your calculation. You can't borrow a single mistake. Okay. So now this portion will be your sacrificing ratio for x. Sacrificing ratio for x. Okay, now moving to that y part, how y will calculate, and y's share of profit is 3 by 10, and how much he will be giving to, he will be giving 1 by 2 and its half portion, so it comes to be 2 by 10. You will calculate, and this will be your 2 by 10. So this portion of amount is sacrificing ratio for y, sacrificing ratio for y. Okay, so now we will be moving to z, and z's profit sharing ratio will be it will be like 2 by 10 plus how much he is getting from x. He is getting from x is 1 into 1, 1 by 10. He is getting 1 by 10 from x and 1 by 10 from y. So if we will calculate this, it will be your 2 by 10, and sum of this is also 2 by 10, and if you will cancel this, it will be your 1 by 5 only, and 1 by 5 only he was acquiring from both of the partner, so the ratio will be 4 by, so the new share of z profit will be 4 by 10, and the new profit sharing ratio is 4 is to 2 is to 4, 4 is to 2 is to 4. This will be your new profit sharing ratio, and you can easily find out how much they are gaining and how much they are sacrificing. So this is your sacrificing ratio. Need not to calculate again and again. You can calculate like this only, and you can find out like this only, and this will be your solution for this question. Okay, so we have to learn the various ways of calculating gaining profit, sacrificing profit, and the new profit sharing ratio. Okay, so now we will be moving to the another question. Okay, so continuing with the case number 3, and the case number 3 says x, y, and z decided to share future profits and losses equally. Then what will be the gaining and sacrificing ratio of the each of the following partner, each of the partner. In this case, it is quite simple as compared to the case number 1 and case number 2, because that the new profit sharing ratio is directly given. So how we will calculate all in this case gaining ratio and sacrificing ratio? Let's go to the solution part. The PDF is available. I am simply showing you how to solve it. Okay, PDF is there, solution part is there. You can find out each and every calculation that is given. Okay, so the new profit sharing ratio is 1 is to 1 is to 1, and the old profit sharing ratio is 5 is to 3 is to 2. So what will be their profit sharing ratio? That for x it will be new minus old, we are doing the 1 upon 3 minus 5 upon 10. If you will calculate this, it will come as 3 into 10, that is 30. I will be taking here, and 10 into 1 10 minus 5 into 3 15, so that comes to minus 5 upon 30. So we are doing new minus old, that means old is more, that means this is your sacrificing ratio. Okay, now move to that part, second part, y. For y, it is new minus old. New is 1 by 3 minus old is 3 by 10. So if you will be calculating this, the denominator will be 30 if you will multiply this thing, or you can go for that LCM also, then you will be getting 15 only. So I am not going for LCM and all that thing. I am simply multiplying this with this, and then I am multiplying this with this and this with this. So you can do like this only, or whatever way you prefers. Then it will be like this, 3 into it will be 10 minus 9, that is equal to 1 by 10, 1 by 30. So it is gaining ratio, the new is more. Okay, the next is your for z. For z it is 1 by 3, that is equally for all partner, 2 by 10. If you will go for this, you will be getting 30, 10 minus 6, that comes to 4 by 30. So it is also your gaining ratio. So the gaining ratio is, this is also your gaining ratio, and this is also your gaining ratio. So if you will calculate 1 by 30 plus 4 by 30, that comes to minus 5 by 30, that comes to 5 by 30. So we can easily say that this is your profit sharing ratio is this. So you have found out the gaining ratio and the sacrificing ratio. Let's go to the solution part where I have done solution like that. Here it is, case number 1, case number 2, case number 3. So the new profit sharing ratio is being given here, the old profit sharing ratio is given. I have calculated the solution like this, so you can go through all these things. Okay, now we will be moving to case number 4, and that case number 4 is a very good example. If Z acquires 1/5 share of X, here it is very clear that 1/5 share of X, not from X. For of X means X के शेयर का 1/5 निकालना है. Okay, next is and 1/6 share of Y, and 1/6 share of Y. So we will be doing like this. Go to the solution part. It is like this. Okay, so in this case how we will be doing, like for X it is 5/10, the old profit sharing ratio, and 1/5 of his share. How much is his share? 5/10. तो इसके शेयर का 5/10 हमने निकाला, तो हाउ मच इट इज कमिंग, कैलकुलेट हमने किया, एंड इट इज लाइक दिस. सो द न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो ऑफ X इज 20/50 or 2/5, you can say like that. Okay, so whatever it is there, you can find it like that. Very careful. 1/5 of X share. X का शेयर कितना है? 5/10. So the new profit, so how much X is sacrificing or how much X is giving to Y is this you can cancel, 1/10, you can easily say like this. So we have to be very careful. So this is like that. So and 1/6 share of Y's share, तो Y का शेयर कितना है? 3/10. So 1/6 multiplied by 3/10, and that comes to this part, and you can easily find out this is your for X it is new profit sharing ratio is 2/10, 2/5, and for Y it is 1/4, and for Z this portion he gains from X and this portion he gains from Y. So these two are added and it comes to 7/20. So we have to be very careful. In the previous question it was like 1/5 from. If it is from, that means 1/5 will be directly deducted from X. Here it is directly deducted from X. But in this case, in that case it is like 1/5 from of X. 1/5 of X. That is why it is being calculated like this, 1/5 multiplied by his share, 1/5 multiplied by his share, X share, that is 5/10. So this is X sacrifice ratio, and this is Y sacrifice ratio, and this is Z's gaining ratio. So we have to be very careful about all these things. So we have calculated the new profit sharing ratio, that is your 2/5, and next is your 1/4, and next is your 7/20. So it is not in that proper ratio. So the 20, this 5 can be converted into 20, this 4 also can also be converted into 40. So how we will calculate this 5, all this into the same, that denominator we will be calculating like this. We will be calculating like this. It was for X it was 2/5. It was 2/5 or something, 2/5. Okay, and for Y it was, so we will be multiplying this by 4/4. If we will multiply by 4/4, that means if you will cut this all, so we will be getting 1 only. So anything multiplied by 1, don't change its value, so it doesn't change its value. So what we will do, we will multiply by the numerator and denominator with the same value, and we will be getting 8/20. 8/20 we will be getting. Okay, so next is that what was his ratio? That was 1/4. That is 1/4. For Y it is 1/4, and for Z it is 7/20, and for okay. So go to this part and we will be solving like that. For X we have calculated. It was 2/5. We have multiplied the numerator and denominator with the same value so that it does not affect. So 8/20 we can easily say, and it was for Y it was 1/4. So we can easily multiply 1/4 into 5/5. 5, so it comes to 5 by 20. The denominators are now same, and for z we have already got that 8 upon 20 it was there. So if we will be having, so the now the ratio that we will be calculating like this will be, okay, so the now the ratio is 8 upon 20, 5 upon 20, and sorry, it is 7 upon 20, not 5 upon 20, it is 7 upon 20. It is 7 upon 20 that we have calculated. It is 7 upon 20. So now if the ratio for x, y and z comes to, then it is your 8 is to 5 is to 7. New profit sharing ratio will be 8 is to 5 is to 7. So we will be calculating the gaining and sacrificing ratio like this. Okay, so hope you are getting all these things which is being taught to you and which is being explained to you. In case of any doubt, you can ask me whenever you want.